Hello students, what we have read in the last video, we have discussed about the France became a constitutional monarch. The France became a constitutional monarch unit 2.1, and now in this video we are going to discuss about the unit 3, in that France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. What we have discussed in the earlier videos, I told you what was there in France earlier. In France, earlier monarchy was there. Then what happened? Then National Assembly came and they set the Louis XVI as the constitutional monarch. Means Louis XVI will work as the constitutional monarch. But now what happened, that France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. Louis XVI, he was the constitutional monarch, and what he did, he was planning. What he was doing, he was planning to overthrow the National Assembly. What he was planning to overthrow the National Assembly, right, with the King of Prussia and other neighboring rulers such as Austria, right, and they were helping the Louis XVI. Why they were helping the Louis XVI? Because they all belongs to the aristocrat class. That's why they were helping them. Helping him means to Louis XVI in overthrowing the National Assembly. But before this could happen, means it was not happened, Louis XVI was planning, and the National Assembly, NA means National Assembly, they came to know that Louis XVI is going or is planning to overthrow the National Assembly. So what the National Assembly did? National Assembly declared a war against the Prussia and Austria. They declared a war. And in that war, what happened? Thousands of volunteers, thousands of people joined the army. What happened? Thousands of people joined the army. Right. As they joined the army, when they were moving towards the Prussia and Australia, and when they were crossing the Marseillais, and they were singing a song, that is Marseillais, and it was composed by the Roget d'Isle. Right, and it is the national anthem of France now. Marseillais is the national anthem of France now. It was sung by volunteers from Marseillais. When they crossing the Marseillais, as I told, they were singing the song Marseillais that was composed by the Roget d'Isle. National anthem means the patriot song type. Revolution further demanded greater political equality. What happened then? Revolution, they what they did? They raised their voice against the monarch and what happened? They removed the monarch from there, and now what happened? They want the more greater political equality. They demanded more greater political equality. What kind of equality was there? Voting rights for weaker section. What they want? They want the voting rights for a weaker section. And voting right for weaker section, who was asking? Now poor people were asking that they want the voting right for a weaker section, and they want the freedom of formation of clubs. Then there was the formation of one club. The name of that club is Jacobean Club. Jacobean Club was formed that time when the France abolishes the monarch, and whose rule was there? National Assembly, and they declared France as a republic. Republic means the head of the country is elected is an elected person, not the hereditary post, right? So this was there. They abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. So what happened that time? The formation of Jacobean club. Then what happened? The formation of a Jacobean club. And how the Jacobean club got its name? It got its name from the convent of Saint Jacob in Paris. A religious building was there in the Paris, that is Saint Jacob. They got their name, formation of Jacobean club, they got their name from this convent of Saint Jacob in Paris. A building, religious building is there with the name of Saint Jacob. It is there in Paris. So who were the members of the Jacobean club? Mainly less prosperous section of society, means poor people. Mainly poor people were the members of the society. Which society? Of the club. Which club? Jacobean club. And who was the leader of the Jacobean club? Maximilian Robespierre. Who was the head of the leader of the Jacobean club? Maximilian Robespierre. And they introduced a dress code. What was the dress code? Long striped trousers. It is trouser. Long striped trouser, and men wore red cap. Red cap stands for liberty. And what they were using? They were using the long striped trousers, as it is given in your book in image. And they were known as the sans culottes. They were known as sans culottes. Who were sans culottes? Sans culottes, and they were known as the those who were wearing the long striped trousers and wearing the red cap. They were known as the sans culottes. And those without knee breeches. Knee breeches means they were wearing the long shoes. As you can see, the feudal, I told you the image you see where the feudal lord was sitting with the long breeches. But now what was there? Now the normal shoes the people were wearing, of the members of the Jacobean club, they were wearing the normal shoes. They were not wearing the knee breeches, means lambe jote घुटनों तक, right? Then what happened? In the summer of 1792, Parisians were angered by short supplies and high food prices of food. What was there? Again there was the food supply was less and extreme winter was there, so high food prices were there. And what they did, they raised their voice and they revolted against the National Assembly. And revolt by them means under Jacobean club. The Parisian people, what they did, they revolt against the National Assembly. And who was the leader? Under whose leadership? Jacobean club leadership. Who was the leader? The leader was Maximilian Robespierre. And that time the National Assembly became weak, and the Jacobean club became very popular and very strong. A large number of people were the member of the Jacobean club. All the members of 21 years and above got right to vote under the Jacobean club. Under the Jacobean club, they got right to vote. Who got? All the men with the age of 21 years. And what was there in the National Assembly? The National Assembly, 25 years of age and a person who is paying 3 days wages, their 3 days income as the tax. They were only getting right to vote. But under the Jacobean club, all 21 years men, they were getting right to vote. Convention means now National Assembly abolish. Who came into power? A new assembly, that is convention. And France became republic and no hereditary monarchy was there. Now France became republic. Now there is removal of the king. Now there is removal of the National Assembly. Who came? A new convention came, that was the Jacobean Club. On 21st July, when on 21st July 1793, Louis XVI, he was sitting in his room or in his palace. What happened? Louis XVI was sentenced to death. By whom? The court gave the order. Right? Why court gave the order? Because he tried to. What he tried to? He tried to overthrow the National Assembly. He tried to overthrow the National Assembly, and that time court gave the order. When on 21st July 1793, Louis XVI was sentenced to death by a court on the charge of treason, and the Queen Mary Antoinette met the same fate shortly after the death of king. Means when the Louis XVI was sentenced, same Queen Mary Antoinette, his wife, was also met the same fate shortly. So this was our unit, that the French Revolution, chapter 1, and the unit was France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. So revise the chapter thoroughly till unit 3 and make the notes, make the extra question answers. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.